MJ, Abby,
Luana!
Zoe.
How is it that time flows in one dimension despite its interwoven continuity with space? How do we reconcile the conflict between quantum mechanics and general relativity within the parameters of physical laws that contradict one another on the most fundamental of realms? The answers lie within the furniture. First, there was nothing. Then, there was a couch. Just kidding. It wasn't that easy, and we don't actually talk like that. The universe began with the Big Bang, which started the sequence of improbably lucky events leading to life on Earth. First, particles congregated to become atoms as electromagnetism drew them together. Gravity then brought matter together. Protons refused to become stars, then the centers of stars harbored a new breeding ground for increasing chemical complexity. Hydrogen and helium evolved from their uneventful, homogeneous existence into a more heavy and complex elements due to the nature of atoms to have dense nuclei and fission and fusion. The vulnerability of electrons and the density of atoms resulted in an abundance of powerful energy. With a great deal of stars, gravity, and dust in close proximity, these conditions in gravity allowed for the formation of galaxies and planets. What we classify as Goldilocks conditions were required for microbial ancestors to form on Earth. Saturn and Mars' moons show signs of hability for basic life. But life is fragile. This is shown by Earth's long-term cycle of mass extinctions caused by natural disasters. The space debris that killed the dinosaurs paved way for us. We could never have coexisted with our prehistoric predecessors. But how did miscellaneous molecules become thinking, feeling humans with extraordinary innovations? Chemical processes spurred the development of initial living entities, and natural selection and evolution allowed them to complexify. They kept finding ways to create more energy and become self-sufficient. Such was the first basic life form, a package of DNA constituted of cells that can metabolize, maintain homeostasis, and reproduce. 8.7 million species have derived from the first single-celled organism, yet a vast amount of their genetic material is identical. Cows and humans share 80% of the same DNA, and every single human shares 99.9%. Genetic mutation is responsible for these essential margins. A combination of chance and natural selection by way of mutation led to evolution. Because of evolution, around 315,000 years ago, the first Homo sapiens emerged. Humans began in the middle of the food chain, relying on primal hunting tactics and lacking spoken language. They evolved to become a group set apart from other life as a natural selection honed their large brains, intricate nervous systems, and upright bodies, creating a species of superior social intelligence. Humans use our unmatched brain power to exist and operate beyond Earth's natural cycles. We have overcome the hindrance of predators and used vastly more than our fair share of Earth's resources to accommodate an ever-skyrocketing population of humans. Intelligence gives life meaning, allowing us to function on a level of greater breadth than any other species, but it also plagues us with the weight of the world and the ability to destroy it. Here we are, the only species that can generate great value from the things we can't see, the only species with goals beyond those that strive for survival, the only species that can build furniture.